Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Vid Commissions review. So I'm in the dashboard of Vid Commissions right now. In this review, I'll be showing you what Vid Commissions is all about, and most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high quality custom bonuses that I'm also giving away to ensure you get the best experience and most importantly, you make the most money with Vid Commissions. So in a nutshell, Vid Commissions is a cloud-based software that allows you to create your own membership style sites. Every membership site needs to have content because that will be the main reason why people want to become a member of that site in the first place. Now, Vid Commissions takes care of that aspect also. It allows you to use video content. You would not need to create your own video content. You are going to be able to use other people's video content to actually create your own membership site. Also, Vid Commissions allows you to monetize your sites in such a way that you are going to be able to build your list, bring in leads. You are going to be able to make sales and commissions using the features that come with Vid Commissions. So here you are going to see some of the sites that have been created. You are going to see these sites have their own squeeze page. They have their own login or register page. And then you have the content also. Take, for example, let's check out any one of these. Let's check out this one. If you click here, it's actually going to show you the squeeze page. You are going to be able to create your own squeeze page, and then your visitors can actually enter their name and click on access. Right now, they are going to jump into the login URL, and also once they log in or register, they are actually going to be taken to the membership site. Now, this contains the videos. That's the content you've actually set up inside of your Vid Commissions membership site. So here now you can actually monetize this. You can add your own affiliate links. You can add your own monetization right inside of your Vid Commission site. Not only that, you're going to be building your list in this process, because anyone who jumps on your squeeze page and filling their names or email would actually be added to your list. So here are the list of the campaigns that have actually been previously created inside of Vid Commissions. If you want to create your own, just go ahead, click on create campaign. So the first thing you should do, there's training right here inside of Vid Commissions that actually show you step by step what you need to do to start earning commissions using Vid Commissions. There's a YouTube search tool here, and this is where you connect through API, and also you are going to be able to search and create collections. These collections you can then use in your membership site. And this works in any niche. So right now I'm going to be showing you the custom bonuses that would actually ensure you get the best out of Vid Commissions. Vid Commissions launches on the 12th of July by 9 a.m. Eastern Time. If you are going to be creating video membership sites, you would actually need members. You would need traffic to actually ensure that you grow your membership list. So I'm going to be giving you my first bonus, which is a traffic tool that allows you to drive high quality traffic from Instagram. This cloud-based software allows you to connect multiple Instagram accounts. You will be able to post to this Instagram account right from this cloud-based software. You are also going to be able to repost viral content from other Instagram users. You'll be able to schedule your post to go out in the future, either your post to your stories or to your Instagram page. You'll be able to copy trending hashtags from other Instagram users. So you need to put your affiliate link or your website links in the bio of these Instagram accounts, and then ultimately this allows you to drive high quality traffic from Instagram, and it works in any niche. Also, bonus number 2, you are going to be getting a premium video training that shows you how to rank your videos to get the maximum exposure on YouTube. YouTube is also one great platform to actually find high quality free traffic. So you are going to learn in this video how to rank your videos and how to get the maximum exposure you need to drive high quality traffic on YouTube. Also, bonus number 3, you will be getting a premium PDF training that shows you how to make money promoting ClickBank affiliate product. Also, bonus number 4, you'll be getting another premium PDF training that shows you 3 high quality traffic sources to go and fetch high quality traffic to your affiliate offers or to your website. And bonus number 5, you are going to be getting all the vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses also. So what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the blue buttons on this page. If you click on any of these blue buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Vid Commissions, where you're going to be able to pick up Vid Commissions. So here it says discover how we are generating $1,000 plus daily on complete autopilot with this brand new secret on the ground traffic and sales app. 100% done for you traffic and sales system. Zero experience or tech skills required. So feel free, come check out this video presentation, and also come and check out the features of Vid Commissions. Also, there's a ton of information right here on this page. So come check out this sales page in your own time. So right now I'm going to be showing you the pricing and also the optional upgrades that come with Vid Commissions. The front end actually goes for $17, but this is going to be an early bird pricing, meaning the earlier you come in, the better, because the price would actually go up within the period of the launch. And then there are some optional upgrades that come with Vid Commissions also, talking about the Vid Commissions Unlimited version that goes for $67, but you can decline and then pick that up for $37. The second one is the 100% done for you that goes for $97, but you can decline that and pick it up for $67. The third one is the unlimited traffic that goes for $147. You can decline and pick that up for $47. The fourth is the 30K in 30 days version that goes for $147. You can decline that and pick that up for $47. The fifth one is the super affiliate version that goes for $97. You can decline and pick that up for $37. The sixth is the license rights. This allows you to sell Vid Commissions and keep 100% profits, and that goes for $147. You can decline and then pick that up for $67. And then the last one is the auto profit boost that goes for $47, which you can decline and then pick up for $37. So that's going to be my review for Vid Commissions. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.